All right, be bold. This is Dominic Izzo, and I am the bull of MLM, and we're going to do some green screen training for network marketing. Listen, you don't have the popularity, the size, or the organic reach yet to do attraction marketing, so you're going to have to do the fucking work and cold call. And I know that's going to bother a lot of you, so I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. The difference between cold calling, your cold call and your warm market is that the warm market knows you, friends and family. The cold market doesn't, so it's a good position to posture and fake it till you make it. You slide in people's DMs, you use their first name, and you be direct. You don't build rapport. You don't ask questions other than one question. John, what's your profession? When you do that, John's going to answer, and it's also going to put you in a position of being bold, and he's going to be like, oh, well, this is interesting. You thank John for his time. Hey, I saw that you were following me. Great to connect with you. Have a great day. You don't talk about your business, but it puts you in the practice of starting a dialogue, planting a seed, and being bold. Network marketing, it's going to give you a chance to build you.